Have you ever seen a cat work as a bank guard? Imagine one night a cat guard noticed a thief sneaking into the bank to take some money. Quick as a flash, the cat chases after the thief. After a short chase, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this one. The cat catches him and the police come to take the thief away. Everyone at the bank is very happy because the cat saved all the bank's money. To thank the cat, the bank manager gives it a special reward. This cat was not just any cat, it was a hero that night.